Hi guys, welcome to Hooks Hot Rods. I got some parts, so I'm gonna make up the exhaust system today. And I also the new spark plug wires come in for it, so I can get that all set up today. Well, this weekend as well. I'm hoping this weekend to have it sitting here running proper. I got it to bark the other day, but yeah, I didn't have enough hands to make everything work. So I hooked up a temporary ignition and made some actual battery cables just to get it running. The battery's going to end up being in the box back here under the gas tank. So until I have that all set up, I'm not going to buy cable for it until I know how much I actually need. So my plan is just to have, it's about 4 feet of pipe from the back of the headers to the box here, and then under the box I'm going to just have the two mufflers sitting one on either side of the drive shaft. Sort of right where I have that one sitting is where the muffler's gonna be, and I'm hoping to have the dumps come out just on each side of the pumpkin. I don't have them made up yet, but I'll get those next week, put them on, but at least I want to get the mufflers and the pipes on to the rear end so that when I fire it up, I can actually hear how it runs. So I'll bring you back when I get some work done. Okay, so I got the exhaust system done. Well, sort of done. I put the old wires back on. I'm not going to cut the new ones until after I have it running decent, and I'm sure I'm in the right spots on the cap. I think I am, but I'm not sure. And when I do the new wires, I want to cut them and route them so they're nice and clean and to the right length. So I don't want to cut them now and then find out I screwed it up. So I threw in an inline filter to make sure I'm getting gas, because I don't know about that fuel pump. And then the exhaust. I haven't done the turn downs for it yet. But I want them to come out and turn down right here. I want them just coming off the muffler and turning out just on either side of the pumpkin. I think I got you upside down, but okay, so, and there's the exhaust system. They're good and solid. They're not moving anywhere. They're not touching anything, so it should be good. Should be no rattles. And this is the scoop I made for the transmission cooler up here. Now, if I find that the transmission gets hot, I will end up moving that transmission cooler somewhere else, but it should be all right there. So now I'm just going to move my ghetto jack stands and get it back on the floor. Hook up my jerry can to the fuel pump and see if it runs. So this is like test 5, I think it is. Tried a couple times earlier, fuel pump's junk, so I just went and picked up, borrowed a little Holley electric fuel pump. I got the gas pumped up already in it. I have the timing set pretty close to where I want it, where I think it's going to be good. And maybe that fuel pump don't work either. Maybe that's why it's not working. There we go. Running boards are rattling like crazy. Loading up a little bit on fuel. A small leak over here in this header. Yeah, so I have a leak in that one side on the exhaust. Something to do with the header. That's got to get fixed. Don't like that. But for being really quiet mufflers, it wasn't all that quiet. Didn't take me long to write the garage off again, so I guess I'm cleaning that up pretty soon. It's been probably 5 years since I heard this motor run, maybe 6. I cleaned it all out inside, and that's a different intake, ignition, and 2.4s this time. It used to have a 750 on it, and it did good. So I wonder how it's going to start now. Not quite right yet. Yeah, that noise is just the wooden running boards here rattling. Once they're bolted down, won't be too bad. So there it is, it's running, and now I get to put it all back together, or all together, finish it off, and one more step closer to going for a ride. So thanks for watching, and please leave a comment, subscribe, and share with your friends, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever, and let your friends know, and see when I get it out for the first ride. And again, thanks for watching.